Second mat, so it's got a couple of little faults in it, and it was cheap because of that. And it's an 8. Might be just the little bubbles, but on a little nip there. But to me, that doesn't. It's, yeah. To me, that looks mint. I'll be fine with that. Yeah, I can't really see too much more, bar that's part of the mould, them side bits, I think. But actually looking at it, for being a second, yeah, I don't, yeah, I can only see a few bubbles over there. I don't know if that's just because of that. It puts it into the, you know, in that little bit there, but that doesn't really matter. Because your sluice box is going to be right up against it. I suppose you can't sell it retail like that. But another, yeah, little one there. But don't bother me. I needed a middle one, so I had my big one from Jeff, and then I needed an 8, and I got my little one. So that should work good. Awesome. Dream mat for the win.